Food chain. A food chain is a sequence of who eats whom. The usual order of a food chain is sunlight, plants, herbivore, omnivore, and or carnivore. Food web. Food chains that are related in an ecosystem form a food web. In forest ecosystems, many types of herbivores eat trees and other plant life. Carnivores or meat-eating animals such as tigers, lions, and wolves prey on herbivores. They usually prey on wild animals. Biosphere. A combination of all living things on Earth, plants, mammals, birds, amphibians, reptiles, aquatic life, insects, viruses, single-cell organisms, and so on, as well as all formerly living things that have not yet decomposed. A community of interdependent organisms along with the inorganic components of their environment. Let us revise. Number 1. The variety of life that is essential for the health of our planet's ecosystem is called as biodiversity. Number 2. There are 3 types of biodiversity, that is, ecosystem diversity, species diversity, and genes diversity. Number 3. The various types of plants on Earth are known as flora. The various types of animals on Earth are called fauna. Number 4. A food chain is a sequence of who eats whom. The usual order of a food chain is sunlight, plants, herbivore, omnivore, and or carnivore. Number 5. Food chains that are related in an ecosystem form a food web. Questions. Question. One of the endangered species of Indian medicinal plants is that of, the options are A. Ocimum, B. Nepenthes, C. Garlic, and D. Podophyllum. So the answer is D. Podophyllum. Question. Red Data Book is also called as, the options are A. Whitelist, B. Red List, C. Book List, and D. None of the above. The answer is B. Red List. Question. The various types of plants on Earth are known as, the options are A. Flora, B. Fauna, C. Both A and B, and D. None of the above. The answer is A. Flora.